We're going to introduce a kit that makes artificial intelligence education fun and accessible. Mark. Make a robot kit. To learn more about Mark, you can visit our coursework platform in your browser. There are plenty of guides here to help you create fun projects. You could add a grabber attachment and feed your pet a treat. Mark's pan-tilt camera has a large viewing range, and we pre-trained a model for common domestic animals, so Mark can find and recognize your pet. Additionally, we have added a harmless slingshot attachment. You can find a target to aim at. Oh, she's not impressed that he aimed the slingshot near the cat. Our Mark robot is designed to be educational. Mark's abundant range of supporting courses enable educators to impart understanding of complex technologies which are very relevant today. Through graphical programming, students can quickly develop enhanced understanding of the principles behind autonomous driving and automated logistics. Of course, Mark is not limited to graphical programming. In the MicroPython IDE, Mark can use trained models made by you or the community to recognize any object you choose. We also invite experienced makers to join the community to create interesting projects which can eventually find their way into the classroom. As further programming skills are acquired, students can reproduce these projects or even improve them. When you've developed superior skills, you can compete with your friends. Look, she won! So, this is our Mark, adding fun into education. What are you waiting for?